Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, as you can see, another arrival from eBay. This is a Marx 1666 and a Lionel Sound of Power mechanical tinder. Now I found this on eBay for 12 bucks. So really curious to see what kind of condition this is in. So let's get this box open and hopefully there's no peanuts in here. Let's see. Newspaper. That's good. Alright. There's the locomotive. There is the tinder. Like I said, I got this for 12 bucks. So I'm really curious to see what kind of condition this is actually in. Alright, let's open the tinder first. There was only a couple of photos of this, so. Alright, there's the tinder. And of course the belt is broken, as most of them are. But it rolls. So, got to replace the belt, but that's easy enough to do. The tinder is intact and appears to be undamaged. Alright, so let's see what the locomotive looks like. So this is a Marx 1666. Now it had some rust on the push rods. And there's the locomotive. Alright, let me get the stuff out of the way. Okay, the 1666 is frozen absolutely solid. I mean absolutely solid. This thing is not going to move at all. Now it is a smoker. It has the front truck, the rear truck. It appears to be complete. So there's nothing I can do until I get the motor broken loose. But man, this thing is frozen. So anyway, let's put it on the rail, get a shot of it anyway. Alright, there's the locomotive itself. As you see, it's not in terrible condition. It's been stored terribly, as it has rust on the push rods, as you can see. Anyway, there's nothing I can do until I get the motor broken loose. So we'll see how this goes. Anyway, I just want to do a grand unboxing. So a Lionel Sound of Power tinder and a Marx 1666 in decent condition. So I'll get this motor broken loose. I'll do a follow-up video. Anyway, I just wanted to do a grand unboxing. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.